I will forever remember this time of my life. The rural school bus system and that shopping center for all less fortunate. Those two things.
I'm afraid of tough shots in Vaz when we see me, I'm a broke that.
Fresh? Vaz, Portland me come from. All of my family, everybody for me still live down there, so me can tell a girl you're not doing nothing. You hear me? The 1 and 2 tool you sit them where you put out. Remember, you're not doing nothing, girl. Put it on. Put it on, boy. Put it on. Put it on. But me that man close bad mind, dirty crosses, 1 p.m. 1 p.m. dirty thinking, foot hype. Foot hype, we don't want you back down here. We don't want you back down here. Dirty thinking, foot hype, we don't want you.
I am still solid as a rock, they just can't stop me now.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Isat with Nande. You know it's a boss Nande and I Billy with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So, election come and pass and gone. And Andrew Holness win back another term, a third term, three-peat. Now the election come and gone, a lot of people have a lot of mixed feelings as it pertains to who lose them seat. Now, Anmarie Vaz, that a Darrell's Vaz wife, lost her seat to Isat Buchanan. And a lot of people had a lot to say about the whole thing, saying that Portland people them ungrateful, and Portland people come out and I say if road can nyam, I just road alone Anmarie Vaz I fix up and ray. So me have some clippings more I share with some people I react to the whole thing with Anmarie Vaz, because a lot of people I say Portland people them ungrateful to a different level. And we know majority of Jamaican people them ungrateful. Them want you spoon feed them want you put money in them pocket, them want you carry them go fishing all the time. Them no want hunt and gather for feed themselves. So them kick Anmarie Vaz to the dirt. Them dash with surety for unsurety. So them a rope with Isat Buchanan now. And the whole endorsement from Vybz Kartel propel Isat Buchanan to a different level and causing, him to get elected for MP for Portland. So me I go play some clippings for you. And we are going to jump into some of the topics them with even Andrew Holness, being that him win the election. Because the thing I want to say is that Andrew Holness won the election fair and square. But what I want to say is that where are all these celebrities that say that Andrew Holness will have to give up the seat? Andrew Holness will have to, Andrew Holness won't win another term. Where are all those people like Buju Banton, Tanya Stevenson, Queen Africa, all of those people where I support the other party, the PMP party, and them make all sort of saying, all sort of speech, but yet still, when it's time to fight, when it's time to show the support or show the strength in numbers, they are not there. They should have been the one who came out and vote and even have camera or pictures taken of them, showing them ink on them hands, say them vote. Where are all those people? But yet still, them a say Andrew mash up the country. Andrew nah do nothing for the country. But yet still, those are the same people who don't want to come out where a celebrity don't want to come out and show them faces. We see Beanie Man, we represent for PMP. We see Mr. Vagas, we represent for Labour Right. Even Vybz Kartel will represent for the PMP. We understand that him did have to step up, but because music and politics not really mix together, and then the more artists mix with politics, he might lose even fans, and people not gonna really support their music like that. But the fact that these people who are celebrity came out and speak against the Prime Minister Andrew Holness, they are not here. Them not come out, them not show them faces to say yes, we are standing for a change. Me understand say Mark Golding is a fresh candidate, right? And people don't want to give a surety for unsurety. Me wouldn't say Mark Golding deserve a chance. It's history. It's a history that created where Andrew Holness won 3 terms, and boy, history this. History. But in my eyes, me that definitely say give Mark Golding a chance. But well, the people them stick by who they must stick by, and they must stick to the fire with them no. So them they give Mark Golding a chance. But me I go jump into some topic, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to play some clippings with Andrew Holness and make him speech and his winnings and his, him win the election. So Stick around, don't move a muscle. All me ask you for the film viewers and subscribers. And make sure you like, subscribe, share, and hit that post notification bell. So whenever I drop a new content, you guys can be the first to be notified. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the topic, viewers and subscribers. So before we jump into the topic of the Anmarie Vaz losing her seat to Isat Buchanan, let's just play the clippings with Andrew HOLNESS celebrating his win for another term, a third term. And what I want to say is that I am not for no party. I am not for any party, no Labour right, no PMP. I am for the betterment of the country. And if a Prime Minister do his best and I do him thing, we can definitely say Andrew HOLNESS I do him thing. We see crime take time I go down. We see a lot of improvement, a lot of things. We're not gonna say it's perfect. Like every Prime Minister gonna be perfect, and we're not gonna say Andrew HOLNESS do the most best or the perfect thing ever, but him do him thing. So let's just play the clippings of Andrew HOLNESS celebrating his win, and you guys share your thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you think. Watch this.
I have a few things to say early on. Firstly, let me thank the thousands of Jamaicans who prayed for me personally and who prayed for the government. I want to thank my wife and one of my sons here, Adam. Come on, guys. Of course, the superwoman. I want to thank them personally. I mean, you know, a political campaign, sometimes, you know, when they see the personalities, they forget that they are human beings with feelings and emotions and they can be objectified. It's very difficult, but I want to thank my family here and abroad and all over who have withstood a tremendous onslaught, but they never gave up on me or on the people of Jamaica. I want to thank the political team. I think we have the best political team in the Caribbean. But allow me to, I do this at a risk, but I'm sure everyone will agree that my Deputy Prime Minister, Horace Chan, the General Secretary of the Jamaica Labour Party, deserves special committee. This bell is not an easy bell to ring. I wouldn't be surprised if Bustamante rang this bell. But I carry the symbol of the party today because it is such a historic moment that this is a victory for our founder, Bustamante, for Sir Donald Stanster, for Hugh Shearer, for Edward Philip George Shearer, for Bruce Rowling.
Fresh Drop.
And I want to invite Mrs. Carla Siaga to just come and acknowledge the moment and take a bow to the crowd. Because all of this Mr. Siaga still has, well, he must be happy with. So, Desmond, just you are only allowed to hold the bell temporarily. Do not ring it. I have a few things to say early on. Firstly, let me thank the thousands of Jamaicans who prayed for me personally and who prayed for the government and the country. I want to thank my wife and one of my sons is here, Adam. Come on, guy. Of course, the superwoman. I want to thank them personally. I mean, you know, a political campaign, sometimes, you know, when they see the personalities, they forget that they are human beings with feelings and emotions, and they can be objectified. It's very difficult, but I want to thank my family here and abroad and all over who have withstood a tremendous onslaught, but they never gave up on me or on the people of Jamaica. I want to thank the political team. I think we have the best political team in the Caribbean. But allow me to, I do this at a risk, but I'm sure everyone will agree that my Deputy Prime Minister, Horace Chang, the General Secretary of the Jamaican Labour Party, deserves special commendation. You know, there's a special bond that has to be between the leader and the General Secretary of a political party. And Horace and I have been working for the greater part of 30 years together. We have been very good friends and very good professional associates. We have a mind share, and we are both very much committed to Jamaica, like everyone in the team. I want to thank you, the supporters. You would know how much you mean to me. For all of you who squeeze up on the bus to come to the meeting, who go on the long motorcades with us, for all of you who take on the PMP them when you hear them with the lies, but for all of you who have stood up and chosen Jamaica, I say thanks to you, the supporters of the party. You make us stronger, and we stand here on your shoulders. And thank you. God bless you, and I love you.
So yeah, big up to the Prime Minister for winning another term, a third term. And you know, we there to see the greatness and the betterment of the country. So like what him say, anything what him say out time out him gonna do, we need to see the action. And you know, action speak louder than word. Word is win. So let's just jump right into the Anmarie Vaz saga with she losing her seat to Isat Buchanan. So I saw this clipping with her speaking about the whole thing, and she looks sad. She feel away because, you know, as well people say, Portland people them ungrateful and stuff. She look away and she speak up about the whole thing and what she will be missing, and she will be missing the office and stuff like that. So listen what she have to say, viewers and subscribers, and tell me what you think.
I will forever remember this time of my life. The rural school bus system and that dropping center for all less fortunate. Those two things are near and dear to me. But the most important thing of my 6 years in this constituency is the relationship that I have built with the young, not so young, men, women, and children. My name is called Anmarie by the littlest of voices.
Right now, we almost on highway right from Hector's River to Stony. Cap it after cap it. Shower.
So yeah, viewers and subscribers, Dr. Anmarie Vaz gave a little farewell speech in regards to she losing the seat in the Portland vicinity. But you have some people from Portland or some of the people on the internet, boy, sit well with them knowing that Anmarie Vaz lose her seat to Isat Buchanan. The people them all say, if I mean like Anmarie would have go back, go dig up the whole I road them and help build up. So me I go play some clippings with that, and also me have another clippings with Vagas rubbing the victory in a Footer Hype's face and Oral Tracy, and also Dean Jackson Miller, because you know Dean Jackson Miller and Oral Tracy, them swing over the PMP side, so them they do want Andrew Holness did for lose him seat, and them they do want him to give up the the Prime Minister position. So me I go play some clippings with some of the people that react to Anmarie Vaz losing her seat. Watch some of them clippings of viewers and subscribers. Jaja.
If me flying by Friday, only thing we can group up and go in a Portland and dig up the road Anmarie put down there. Wanna make me know quick and fast. If me for forward Friday morning, make me know we can meet at St. Mary. We can meet at St. Mary and drive go down there. Okay, you know, new road that come down there, you know. So we can meet up and go dig up the asphalt from the no Portland people, no wicked. Oh no, yo, wanna vote for Anmarie? Wanna really vote for Anmarie? May I tell you, wanna make me know. Wanna make me know by morning. We'll meet at St. Mary and we'll go down there, like with a motorcade, go dig up the road. Cause road start, and no vote for Anmarie. Look how much she do. Hey, people are grateful now. On Portland. Oh no, I say gotta go deal with her.
Ungrateful. Ungrateful. Them don't know. Actually, they work. Actually, work every day. Every day, so they are work.
Fresh drop.
Morning. It's ungrateful, worse than witchcraft. I see him where God feed the whole heap of people and give them fish and bread. I see him where them turn against him. God heal whole heap of people, make people who they couldn't walk, make people who talk, people who blind could have see. And say at the end of the day, guess the people, who the people and choose? Barabbas. They say, crucify him, the same people them. Crucify him. Peter did deny him, 3 times say, I don't know him, Judas, who sit alongside of Jesus, eat with him, walk with him, talk with him, sleeping at the same vicinity. Betray Jesus for 30 pieces of silver. I'm not going to pay, I'm going to feel it. I'm going to see something happen at Portland, Antonio, but never happened before. Give us Barabbas. Give us Barabbas. And I people I say, thief in Barabbas, then choose over Jesus, who came and never did one wrong. Sit down on the yard and go vote for the lady. And I will enough I want to take her money. And enough I want she help her on a picnic. I want to sit down on the yard and go vote for him. By me feel him, and I tell a lie. And the most work MP I have seen in many, many moons are Anmarie Vaz. I really sit down and I go vote. And I ask Christ, can I work yesterday? And my sister no come out. My sister no turn up. My sister no choose Barabbas. I stop pray still. And the road not done. The race enough for the swift. because some of them now look money, like money for food. For no go out, no sister walk one at Portland. Come on, man. I want to do that. Really? I want Prime Minister, me say. I want Anmarie Vaz, me say. And now stop say.
No, Portland people, only so wicked. A big fucker no go upon Anmarie, you know. Boom book. Anmarie, my advice, run away. Them not like you. They don't like you, Anmarie. My advice, please. Run away. Give them the parish to themselves. Oh, them for sell it out just so. Anmarie, run. Let me tell you something, Anmarie. Either run away, live to fight another day. Anmarie, run away. Give them the parish for that. They don't like you. They can't so ungrateful. Run with Anmarie. All right.
You see, with all the excitement and everything and how happy I am that my party won, it's like I can't really be as excited as I'd like to be, because with the Portland seat with Anmarie Vaz, it's like me can't come to terms with the decision that Portland made. Like, me never see something upset me saying in my life, bro. When no other MP was working, Anmarie has been working like constantly. We follow Anmarie on social media, and Anmarie no rest for Portland people. I want to vote out Anmarie. Anmarie no vote out. Yo, what you don't even know.
So it is said that the parish councillor did want to sell a particular land in a Portland, and the people of Portland never wanted that, and that was one of the things that Isat Buchanan was banking on with the Portland people them, and you know them cast them vote towards him. And you know it's a big thing in a Portland, and we have a clippings here, you know, advertisement clippings with Isat Buchanan and people them talk about the whole thing about the parish councillor wanted to sell the land, and you know it all hinder the people them from fish and do all of them stuff there. You know, it's a whole big thing. So me I play that clippings of phone. Watch it and tell me what you think, if this was a good strategy with the whole PMP parish councillor them wanted to, you know, get the vote from the people them at Portland. Watch this, viewers and subscribers.
Parish council say I feed them land, you know, and they want to throw away half of the land without even notice. Nothing.
I am 75 years old. Because I am poor and don't have no money, and the people them with them money, they want to give to them.
Some rich guys that give them some money, and really government want to develop on.
Like them getting bribery from other big guy to come and take it and build what they want to build on it.
Them a try split up Navy Island and sell it to them friends before the election. You say steal not, you thief me land.
When I see another system, them a try to fight poor people. If you take over a place, where fishermen are go?
53 years now, I'm on the land. From this a source of water, swamp, you see me?
We're upon this premises at 20 years. When we come and see a swamp and susumba, gully bean, and we dump it and build it and bring it to you, so like how you see.
Enough truckload of stuff we dump on this land.
What would happen to you if you should lose?
I would be a madman. This is my work when I was #1 till I am 58 now.
To Africa, big time. Big time to Africa life.
Them a rob you of the right to have a part of Jamaica as a Jamaican. They must treat you like you are somebody.
But then can just look on it and say, all right, a poor people live here, so help we. Because honestly say you can't want to destroy we.
Isat Buchanan and the only somebody know right now. We are trying to help you and Larry, one next guy named Larry.
That is why I'm a human rights attorney. I advocate for you and I fight for you. It is a lawyer like me that ensures that I fight for your rights even when nobody don't believe you.
The only person what we see right now look like him will represent us. The only person what we see.
That man can do a lot of things. I see it. I'm different from anybody else who ever come around here. I tell you the truth. Because I'm different to people.
Yeah man, and that way I look for you now, help. Nothing about help now, look what I look for right now.
Land is important, and if you don't have land, you are being deprived. Jamaica is for you. And I want you know say a time come for vote out the Jamaica Labour Party.
Let me know in the comment section if you don't think the move that Isat Buchanan made was a brilliant move, and also the people of Portland, if you don't think what them do was reasonable by letting Anmarie Vaz lose in her seat. Let me know in the comment section. So I see Vagas in a recent video and him celebrate the victory of the Labour Right Party, the JLP, and him rub the victory in some people face. He rub the victory in a Foota Hype face. He rub the victory in a Dean Jackson Miller face. And also Oral Tracy. A lot more people. But more and play the clippings of one of viewers and subscribers. Because I want to know Vagas a big Labour Right man. You know him say JLP for life. So me I play the clippings of Uno. I want to tell me what you think in the comment section. Listen to this viewers and subscribers.
Put it on. Put it on, boy. Put it on. Put it on. But me that man close bad mind, dirty crosses, 1 p.m. 1 p.m. dirty thinking Foota Hype. Foota Hype, we don't want you back down here. We don't want you back down here. Dirty thinking Foota Hype, we don't want you back down here. Dirty thinking boy when you're Kevin. We're living in your clad car. I come style up man. Oh no say. I saw it go. Because we are war with pigs. That's why we end up in the pen. Yeah. Pigs we did a war with. So we have to end up in the pen because we never did them tear aside and stand aside and make not tear down with Prime Minister. We were the people them. We have to counter the lies them. Lies upon lies upon lies from Dirty Ingram, from Dirty Caution, from Dirty Gabriel. Listen me man, I want the sweetest victory this ever in the life. This victory is sweet. 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 Don't worry yourself. We will go back to Portland. Next election, we will go back to Portland. We will go back to Portland. We will go back to Donga Central. I saw it go. I saw it go. But a win is a win. A win is a win. A win is a win. And it's the greatest feelings for hear Dean Jackson Miller voice under the water. Dean Jackson Miller voice sound like she swallowed 10 black. Look while when the Prime Minister number come up. And me say she coming like she swallowed 10 black. A cement. How dare you know, dirty Oral Tracy, dirty vermin Oral Tracy, all vermin out there have tried to bring down the PM. But we just want to know how the Prime Minister gets so rich. Just tell me how you get so rich. Dirty vermin, move. One of things say Mark Golden that go win for go in a place in the government. Dean Jackson Miller, all one of things say that can get place in the government. Rattigan, all one of things say Mark Golden that can win for get place in the government. Mark Golden, pack up.
From my view, it look like Vagas are going to run for Minister of Parliament one of them years here now, because Jano, the man, died to the bone, and him now switch from the side where him say Labour Right Party. But in my eyes, it look like Vagas might as well go run for Parliament, because to the way I'm strong, and him advocate for the whole movement, him very adamant about this whole thing. And him rub the victory in the whole of people in face, so him no say Labour Right. So viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section. Share your thoughts, you know it go already man. Vibes and Inside with Nando with another episode. I'm out. Peace.